Resurge Review. The new natural dietary supplement. Many people want to lose weight to improve their health and their appearance. Americans spend over $50 billion every year on weight loss programs and diet pills. Today more than ever there are so many dieting plans about losing weight. The most popular of these diets are keto diet, mono diet, low-carb diet, Atkins diet, South Beach diet, zone diet, paleo diet and Mediterranean diet. Also there have been a lot of diet pills at the market like phentermine, Acomplia, Diedrix, Adipex, Hoodia Gordoni, Xenical, ephedrine and Solidax. The fat burnt is proportional to the rate of metabolism. If your metabolism is fast, you will burn calories fast too. One of the best times to lose weight is while we sleep. The body rebuilds tissue, organs, bone, and lean muscle by burning fat. Resurge is a fat-burning supplement that burns extra pounds in your body by providing a deep sleep for you. Resurge capsules are a new dietary supplement that gives you natural, safe, and effective ways to improve the quality of sleep every night, and enhances the metabolic rates which help in fat loss while you sleep. Resurge is a deep sleep and weight loss pills composed of natural ingredients that are taken before going to bed. The pills contain 8 natural ingredients which improve deep sleep and enhance natural metabolic regeneration in both women and men. Burning fat, restoring your health, and turning back the clock simply could not be easier or more automatic. Every capsule of Resurge is manufactured in the USA and FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standards. It is absolutely 100% natural, safe and effective. Many thousands enjoy taking Resurge and there has been no side effects reported. Resurge is the world's first and only anti-aging nutritional protocol that targets the true cause of unexplained weight gain, stubborn belly fat and metabolic slowdown. Resurge is a highly effective weight loss and anti-aging supplement available in form of capsules, and has %97 positive customer reviews. It is very easy to make it a part of your daily routine before you go to bed. Unlike other weight loss supplements, it does not use chemicals, preservatives or toxic agents. The pros of Resurge weight loss supplement are: 1. Resurge improves the quality of restful deep sleep. 2. It boosts your metabolism and enables rapid weight loss. 3. It boosts up the energy level so fats are burned faster and you feel more energized and active when you wake up. 4. Resurge reduces stress by reducing level of cortisol hormone. 5. It boosts memory and focus while enhancing mood and reducing negative feelings. 6. Resurge helps in resolving digestive problems in older age. Resurge Company wants to make this supplement available for everybody at a very affordable price. They have a very special time-limited offer for 3 purchase plans as follows. 1 bottle of Resurge, $49, 3 bottles of Resurge, $117. 6 bottles of Resurge, $204. Resurge is backed by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee, to make getting started an absolute no-brainer for you. So you have nothing to worry about.